You heard about it, the other side. I feel the moment of my heart, of my heart. Of my heart. I know it.
Gentlemen in the mix.
Can devs do something? Every day I'm checking the price and it's dipping. Every day I check the price, bad price. I can't take this anymore. I have overinvested by a lot.
RIP Japanique.
Is that a joint?
Hello, traders. Welcome to the stream. Sorry, I'm trying to turn off my look on the 8th source and it will not turn off. This is so bad. Okay, I can't even stream. Welcome to the Meltdown stream. Bitcoin's down 4.25% right now.
Is that a joint?
Thanks for the 420, Sushi Sam. Yeah, Japan getting wrecked. Yeah, the Nikkei is down about 4.6% right now. UK 100 down 0.77%. China A50, lowest price seen since February. German 30, the DAX, dumping, down 1.61%. Gold's not doing too well. U.S. oil saw its lowest price just recently in the past few hours. Lowest price since June 26, 2023. So we're talking over 52-week lows on U.S. oil. So everything, it's like a kind of indiscriminate sell-off occurring right now. It's not just, oh, Bitcoin sucks, crypto sucks. We know that. We know crypto sucks. Bitcoin's cool. Crypto's garbage. All right. Trend sucks. Trend's great for bears, sellers, right? But yeah, a little toppy looking stock market, life support yesterday, and it's rolling over. So we'll look at all that stuff, but we're just starting the stream with Bitcoin's beautiful channel here, approaching what we could consider potentially oversold in a downtrend. That level looms. You have not quite touched it yet, which would be a little lower, 53,184. We got a 4-hour candle above my head, 1 hour 49 minutes till it closes. We just received in the last 4-hour candle the lowest close, 4-hour candle close since August 5th, and the selling isn't quite done yet. I mean, it might be, but like we are trading lower than in the last 4-hour candle, like intra candle and close. So 53K on deck. I don't know anyone in here. If you're surprised, who are you? I'm serious. Like, who in here would actually be surprised if you were here any other day of the stream? Why are you here now? Yeah. Sell off. Remember, bearish back test key level. It was broken, and then bearish back tested, and then bearish engulfing follow through. And now, what do you? This is how it goes. This is exactly how it works. The follow through, even more follow through. Okay, we can go to the other one real quick without the beautiful channel that we are approaching. Maybe I'll have an alert set up so where, like, if you're hitting that demand line, I'm gonna try to make it perfect where this beep will go off for us if we get it. Oops, my God, sorry. You know what? Here it is on Coinbase. Yeah, 52K, 53K. We're just waiting for it. Not sure what kind of price action correlation we will get there, but that's the target. It's been the target. Whatever. Cool story, bro. Beautiful. Bitcoin dominance my alert went off at one point today where we were at multi-year highs, but people are saying it was dumping. I don't know. I don't know. Like, my alert went off. It literally went to 57.75, but sometimes this is how it goes. The candles don't close. You don't get wicks on the candles even when they hit your alerts, and it's rolled over. It's down 0.59% right now. I really don't think that's a big deal, but okay. It's just down today. Okay, yeah, because some altcoins are just not getting wrecked as hard as Bitcoin, which is kind of crazy. Yeah. Remember yesterday on Bitcoin futures where it was like there was nothing good about it. It was terrible. And here we are. Extend this out. Yeah, I don't have the parallel channel on this one. Just went with it. But yeah, soon approaching the demand line here. But I got very little confidence. I mean, when 53K breaking, man, there's just 42K. It's a really nice level. I'm not saying we're going there, but we got to wait till 52K breaks. But yeah, this is pretty ugly right now, man. Loss of distribution, and just remember the sign of weakness. When the buyers were unable to test the supply line as they had tested too many times before, where you were making very deep 886 retraces from previous highs to lows, 886, high to low, 886, but this high to low was not. It was like a 70% retrace or so. Not good enough, not deep enough, lack of demand. And now look at you. I mean, you are 3 hours to go about, but I mean, if it goes any lower, then you're working on your lowest daily candle close since February on futures. Bitcoin market cap also going for the lowest daily candle close since February. Breaking 1.087 trillion, which is kind of scary because that is a very, very real level here. I mean, like, what? Your target is 993 billion now. If you trade below this long enough, 993 billion. Swing low, swing low, swing high, Swing high. Yep, that's it. 993 billion. So it's like the next target is us falling below $1 trillion market cap on the corn, on Bitcoin, on rat poison squared, they call it. That good enough, chat?
Since we started out on Bitcoin, let's go further into crypto.
All right, here's Ethereum. Hype in the freaking chat, dude. There was only one way it looked like it was going, and it's going that way, and it's beautiful. And I'm so excited. I can't wait till 21, 27. Can't wait till 2000. Can't wait till probably 1640 if things get real bad. I'm excited, man. You should be too, because it was implied this. The trend was your friend. There was a bear pole. There was a bear flag. They broke the flag. They bearishly back tested the flag that should have been support. It became resistance. And then you caught the follow through, bearish engulfing candle, a confirmed daily candle close below $2,409. These things I'm saying are like incredible events for giving you indication to believe what's going to be the outcome. And it's happening and it's beautiful. Like if you truly care about technical analysis, you love this. Because it's the framework. We flipped the chart over. It would have been the exact opposite. Oh my God, bull pole, bull flag. They broke it. They back tested the breakout. Now we're bullish engulfing, breaking resistance, and now huge follow through green candle. See you at 2001, 2016, same thing on the other side. Trend is friend. All right, get wrecked. Ethereum is getting wrecked worse than Bitcoin. So let's look at Ethereum and Bitcoin real quick. Nice. Mark it down, dude, to 0. Way lower to go. I'll have an alert set up if they're taking out that. If they're gonna maybe might get the lowest daily candle close today.
Just joined the Citadel 2 months ago after tuning in for 4 years of streams. Love it here. Thanks for education and being here every day. 0.309300002
Trader Man,
LTC.
thank you so much for the 1971. Thank you for supporting the community by joining the Citadel/Patreon. Because this community is 100% crowdsourced, right? I do not accept sponsorships. I do not monetize on YouTube. I do not push affiliate marketing links down your throat. I do not have sponsors. I do not, nothing. It's literally my own trades and you. And that's all voluntarily you. Like no one, if they didn't want to, no one would ever have to pay me anything and you're still getting the same value. So it's like, thank you for that. I appreciate it, man. It hits harder for me than I'm sure it would another content creator. So thank you. Okay, get wrecked, Ethereum, Bitcoin, garbage, BNB. We smelled a rat. It wasn't really, see, nothing to do, man. If you're below the line in the sand, you don't want to own BNB. That's it. People are going to be like, my inverse head and shoulders. I'm going to be like, hey, dude, you're looking for an inverse head and shoulders up here below key supports after consecutive lower highs. No, I'm good, dude. I'd be looking for inverse head and shoulders down here again. Oh, wait, there was one. It was beautiful. Holy crap. Yeah. I'm just, when BNB is trading below $500, no. The answer is no. You don't want to own it below this level. But if they recapture 510, and then they back test 510 and reconfirm it as support, let's have a conversation about that and talk about it. But until then, I got nothing to say. BNB, garbage, bad. 428 on deck. Below 502, long enough. Give it enough time. Solana, whew. Right now, if all stayed the same, or a little bit lower. No, if all stay the same or any lower, you're going for the lowest daily candle close since March 5th on Sol today. This level, they are absorbing the remaining demand, and once the demand is completely absorbed, there will be no more demand, and there will be a massive markdown, a meltdown, a $90 target IMO, in my opinion, on Solana. $80 to $90 zone. Insane amounts of distribution going on. And they continue offloading. Solana, BNB, Bitcoin, Ethereum, now XRP. one of the guys at XRP's endorsing communist, leftist, unrealized tax gains, open borders, anarcho-tyranny, replacement of American citizens with third world migrants, complete censorship of the internet and speech. Yeah, that guy who's part of XRP, yeah, this is why you know this is the enemy now. Now you know it. Now it's like easy to talk trash about this crap. Screw XRP and their founders. They can all go kiss grass or touch grass, whatever. Can't wait till 50 cents breaks and it goes to 40 cents because it's a joke. Screw XRP. Now, yeah, screw them. I hope this level breaks, dude. I don't really care. Oh, BNB, Bitcoin. No, I actually want this to break. Here. Yeah, I care. You should too. All right. That's your one of your largest crypto jokes in the world. Cool, dude. Let's look at what happened to Toncoin, dude. Haven't heard any beeps in a while. Is it not on Coinbase anymore? It used to be. I guess they delisted it from Coinbase. Chat. Of course they did, because it's a scam. I don't know where all the data is on this. Alright, whatever. Well, I guess we won't look at Toncoin. Just garbage. Doge and Shiba. We'll look at those jokes if you want. Great news here. Excited about 9 cents breaking because once this level breaks, bye Doge. See you back at 6.6 cents. Exciting times, man. Going for a bearish engulfing candle. We've already discussed the bearish 5-0, the bearish back test at 10 cents was broken and confirmed resistance. And it's like we're just waiting for a meltdown now, and we're close. You know, think about it. In 5 hours, 38 minutes, all stays the same. A little higher, a little lower. It's going to be the lowest daily candle close since February 26th. Get wrecked, Doge. You deserve to be at 6 cents. Well, let's go, dude. Let's go lose 33+% of our value from here. It makes too much sense. Do it. Do it. The data is on Bybit. Yeah, I don't think I have anything plotted there. If I do, it would be really out of date. Bybit. Nice. Very nice. Yeah. My head and shoulders. Oh, you're still not really. You haven't broken yet. You were so close. This thing's on. This doesn't even have all the data. Where there are a couple peaks back here, I think they broke them. Like this thing is about to be cooked, going for the lowest weekly candle close since March 11th, and so much downside. I wouldn't even look at this garbage until maybe 260, 250. Yeah, whatever. That's as much time as we'll spend on this trash. Obvious momentum shift. And yeah, all right, Shiba, and then we can move on. Like I know other assets are getting ready. Dude, get ready on Shiba. Yep, we've been waiting for this garbage. We've been waiting, man, like going for the lowest daily candle close.
Mitch, I was looking at various crypto charts and the 20 SMA seems to be very legit indicator. Every time above daily or weekly we go long versus under. What are your thoughts?
Shiba going for the lowest daily candle close since February 29th. Breaking unbelievable levels of support resistance right now. It looks bad. Tons of downside. Almost unlimited downside. I don't know. I mean, I don't use just one indicator ever. I just use moving averages as reference points. Like, oh, hey, look, the asset is showing consecutive lower highs, lower lows. Oh, and there was a death cross. Oh, and now the asset is doing something it hasn't done in a long time. It's trading below all three simple moving averages. That's the only, and yeah, you can get some really nice price action. Like, look at this. You want to see some simple moving average porn? This is great simple moving average porn on Caspa, right? Where you're uptrending, right? You're trading above all the moving averages. Duh, you've been doing that. The 200 moving it. You've just been above the 200 because you're in uptrend. But guess what's happening now, right? In my opinion, I think everything turned around on Cas. This is why I posted the trade setup short on it. They were such a lag in demand, they couldn't test the key levels. But look how that 20 and that 50, when they were supports, kind of, the price was correlating positively to those MAs. The purple, pink is magenta is 50. The yellow is 20. Now they have a bearish crossover on the 15th of August. And now, as you can just see, price is, it's downtrending. And now, as of yesterday at the close, CAS trading below all three major simple moving averages since May 14th. But as you can see, starting right now, currently, attempting a bearish breakdown of the level of levels. Below this level, the downside takes you to our big target, 9.7 to 10 cents. So hype in the freaking chat for this joke, okay? Way, way lower if you're patient enough. But my God, what a great start. I mean, this thing since the setup, I mean, it's down like 16% in less than 2 weeks. Wonderful start, but it's only just begun. Have your alerts set up. It's beautiful. So we looked at Shiba, Doge. Let's look at Litecoin, because my Litecoin, people coming in, tipping, talking about Litecoin. It's like, bro, no. Liquidity grab. Liquidity grab. Stop loss hunting. See? They did it again, man. Bearish engulfing candle. Rejecting $66, max downside potential. I want it to crash to 50 now. I mean, this is perfect. They got all liquidity, all the stop losses hunted, and it's time, man. I mean, this thing looks ready to go. 100 likes, let's go, dude. Thank you. If that's true, I don't know if that's real life. I don't know, dude. It's probably like no one watching either. I mean, whatever. Crypto melting down. TA's being respected. No one should be watching, right? Beautiful. I love it, though. I don't give a crap. I'll talk to myself forever about this stuff. Okay, look at Matic. At the lows of the day right now, down only 1.6%, but it's been melting down. We're just waiting on 30 cents. Dump this trash to zero. Bitcoin Cash, we're waiting. Yep, below 300, we're waiting. $200. Hello? Did anyone watch this stream? I mean, whatever. This is insanely bad for anyone who likes Bitcoin Cash. That is such a key support broken. Below all the moving averages. Broke support. Bearish back test, double top. Oh my God, just downtrend. Bear structure and downtrend. It's reliable and it's starting to outperform. Performing very well right now, out the gate. Okay. We'll have Bitcoin up on the screen above me so we can always see it. I'll have some more alerts set up. Some of these. But I guess what we'll do is we'll switch it gears and go to the spider. Woo, near the lows of the day. Down 1.81%. One gap is filled. Remember, that was a target just yesterday, day before. Those were the targets. If it was going lower, yep, 550, 544. And there's another unfilled gap. That's the next target around 533. $533 on deck. We're waiting. I got an alert set up. We're going to see lows of the day. We're going to hear the beep together. Nice. None of this stuff's really surprising. Dow Jones, we were right. What do we want? We want a gap fill at 40,000, and at the same time, remember, get two birds stoned at once. A back test of the key resistance as support, maybe for the first time. That was on deck. We were just waiting, and we're getting there. It's only down 1% today, but just a little bit lower, and we'll be there. And hopefully, we get some positive price action correlation. If not, 39.8, and then below that, 38.7. So. NASDAQ composite. A beautiful. The gap is filled, chat. Target area. The target area. It was achieved. Next target would be 16,443 on deck. NASDAQ down 2.6%. It's the Mag 7, man. The Mag 7. Getting wrecked on all fronts, including Tesla. So we'll look at the IWM, and then we will look at all 7 of them meticulously. Very bad, boys, right?
Very bad, boys. Very bad.
Yeah, I mean below this level targets 201. So they back tested they broke yesterday 213. Today they formally at the highs back tested that level as resistance and follow through. Breakdown. 1.92% losses on the day. Maybe not over yet. We'll have an alert set up.
Hey Mitch, what is your opinion on Boris starting this pilot program to settle debts in crypto?
Colin Squares. I hope Boris, I don't know, dude. Yeah, that sounds like it'll probably end up being a scam. People will be scammed. People will be hurt. People will take advantage of it. Because that's like every other garbage crypto project that ever exists, or invention in crypto. Joke, scam, sounds okay, and probably going to hurt a lot of people. Just to be real. Thank you for the super chat. There your big four. Let's look at the Mag 7 real quick. All right, who's down worse? Tesla, mother of God, dude. Dude, that is... I mean, you know, it looked good. It looks good still. And it's pretty cool that there's still just the levels that are inflection points. They're being respected like the Jesus, right? What'd they do? 232.81. It's been there. They tested it back in July, reversed. What'd they do? They tested it September, reversed. Filled a gap. But that's a mega nasty bearish engulfing candle. Just illiquid between 205 and 230. Straight up, straight down situation, kind of. So that's what's happening here. Bad macro day. Terrible for Tesla. Still above the key levels. That's it. Nvidia. Woo. Down 4.69%. Going for the lowest daily candle close since August 7th. Going for a bearish engulfing candle confirmed. Extremely good performance from this bear shark, or whatever. Some people are going to call it someone, I don't know. Someone could use different anchor points and make it a bearish a bearish bat pattern. I think on Scott Connie software, it identified the bearish bat. I think this was C, or this was A, B, and then this was C. So whatever, exact same pattern completion zone. I just manually identify W shapes, M shapes. I don't use the software. Yeah, and so target $97, $97.25. May not get it today, but we still have an hour and a half left till the weekend, till the closing bell. So you just gotta want. I mean, you don't know, like on days like this on a Friday with such a lot of selling and stuff. I mean, shorts like today that have been very active might be closing their positions going into the weekend to, you know, hey, they made some profit. So day traders gonna take profit and exit. And so that could be short covering. Therefore, there could be a rally in power hour, which a power hour will begin in less than 30 minutes. So we will see if there's follow through or just shorts covering into the close. Very nasty though, but beautiful. Respect. It was just like Tesla. It was just like Tesla, man. Back in its heyday when it was concluding its godlike run. There was a time when Tesla was the Nvidia of the stock market for a while, and it all concluded at that last peak, that 886 of the bear shark. Same structure, April 2022. You're getting incredible performance. Nvidia's about right here right now. So performance, taking out the C point, going a little lower, and then they could bottom it out and you rally. And then what we'll be watching for on Nvidia is the new bear market rally where they're gonna retrace it from this high to low, and it's gonna be a 60% retrace, 50% retrace. We're gonna be looking for price action correlation to that 200 moving average. I don't even know if we're below it yet. Are we? No, we're not even below the 200 yet. So I mean, it's really not as bad actually, but I don't know. You get down to where Tesla went, which would probably be $83, $80, $78. So you'd be below the 200 at that point. But Yeah, this is maybe how their classic distribution structure, man. Someone's aggressively offloading their position at the top. Let's go to Google. Remember when Google was like showing a bear pole bear? Oh, yeah. Remember magnesium laden shooting star? Wow. If that wasn't good performance, if that wasn't reliable. So breaking that 200-day simple moving average today cleanly, and now at a key level from history. What's that level, chat? Can you see it on Google? Hey, if you owned Google from November 18th, 2021, you didn't do anything, and you still own it, you've now made $0 in all this time. In a matter of how many days? 1,027 days, trading at the same price. The wheels are spinning on a lot of these assets, but they're just stuck in the mud, man, going nowhere. So very critical area we are at, right? As you can see, the back test we got April 25th at that same level before gap up on earnings and whatever, the rising wedge. So you definitely, everyone in here wants to have an alert set up like 150.60, 150.50, because if you hear the beep, that means that level is being violated, and that could manifest into some seriously bad stuff, like way lower prices. I would think like below 151 to 146 equals 131. We'll see. You're just at this level. You better hope for some positive price action correlation soon. My God, man. VIX up 50% in a week. Let's go, dude. This is Facebook. This is Meta. What was? I feel like I'm spinning my wheels
is the time
too,
to
dude.
watch Verus chart. It'll confirm or deny a bullish support in this 3.5-year structure. Weekly time frame. I love
It's
you,
not,
Mitch.
dude.
You're just
It's
trying
just
to do the
not.
right thing. Get wrecked, chat.
It's not the time to watch Lord Beerus joke coin, dude. It's not. Thanks for the threes. So, most beautiful thing you could ever dream of on Meta is happening. If you flip the chart, it was all so beautiful. My God, think about it. They failed to break support. They recaptured. They reconfirmed the validity of the support as support again. And another test today with a mega engulfing candle. It would be a dream, but it was a bearish dream.
No request because I can that on my own. But my respect for you and big thanks for all your education.
Sajki DeWitt, man, thank you for the 22-pound super chat. I will continue my education and say it's actually your, not your, in the super chat. Thank you, dude. Bitcoin lows of day chat. We have to take a break from the Mag 7 and go back to the corn. Solana, beep, alert going off on Solana chat. Just soon approaching the key next levels. How could you be surprised if you're a member of this community? For real, you wouldn't be. You'd be excited. You'd be happy. TA is being respected. TA being respected. You can say there, respect, man. You kidding me? Beautiful. Such a lack of, remember the analysis, such a lack of demand that the buyers are no longer able to even test the 200 simple moving average. Remember all these are pieces of data, man, the clues of what's going on, who's in control of the market, and it really was the sellers. It was implied the sellers, and it was. Okay, I guess let's have another alert set up. We're gonna go a little lower. Hear more beeps. I don't care. Won't beep all day. I'm trying to get through these stocks real quick, but Meta, dude, 454 target. You would think this is beautiful for a short.
Hey Mitch, long time viewer. Eternally grateful for the absolutely priceless knowledge you have freely imparted over the years. Your passion in honing your skill is nothing short of inspirational. Can I get your take on AG daily/weekly?
And the really kind words means a lot. We can look at AG, Majestic Silver. All the gold silver miners they've kind of run their course, right? And they're kind of like, they've been crashing lately. They've been rolling over. But I mean, you can't say they didn't do the thing. They didn't do the M shape and then crazy run, hit the A point, C point of these harmonics, and then made the reversing now, whatever. That's when the trade virtually concludes. So we can look at it. Thank you. Amazon real quick. Beautiful. Oh my God, it's over. Amazon, time to short. Time to stay short. Yep. This is the worst thing that could have ever happened to the Amazon chart. Kind of was like weird. Man, they recaptured the level. What are they going to do today? What do they do today? This is like, yep, Amazon 158 on debt. High probability. Price action screaming. It's time to see $158.88. Okay. That's it. Think about it. One high, the second high. The second high is a lower high than the first high, but the second high is just a huge test of a level that should have been support resistance is now resistance, and now breaking the 200-day simple moving average on this candle. This is the worst thing that could ever happen if you wanted to go higher. This is the best thing that you could have ever dreamed of if you want the price to go lower. A lot of downside potential on Amazon. Let's freaking go. And then, duh, for all the wave structure bros, it's just a premature this. It's like, oh, it's just that. It's, 886. Gotcha. 156, 155. Yeah, 155.50. Stuff like that. Dragon, bearish dragon stuff. Yep. See lower. Microsoft only down 1.83%, but at the lows of the day, hype in the chat for the identification of price action that gave us confidence to believe this is bad, not good. Pretty garbage rally, such a lack of demand from this rally that the buyers were unable to even retest that high from March. Lack of demand. Sell off. What'd they do? Rallied to 420, tested it on August 29th. And then on the 3rd of September, there was such a lack of demand that the buyers were unable to even test it again. And then a massive bearish engulfing candle below the 200-day moving average. And then look, the past 2 days regarding the 200 moving average as resistance. And now you're just rolling over like it's like beautiful. 397. But if they don't hold that, you got to go with like 388. So there's more downside. You're just waiting for 397. That's the target right now. But yeah, it looked bad. It was implying that this was going to happen. Apple only down 0.98%. Still, like, this is the best of the 7 for sure today. My God. Still above the inflection point. But bearish engulfing candle being painted. Gold, bearish engulfing candle. They're working on it. Supply line they're flirting with. Looks like you're going to close the week back below it. Again, no value here for a fresh long at all. Historical premium. Like you've never paid this much premium in your entire life, in anyone's life on the planet's history. Have they paid this much premium for gold? And now you're below 2,500, the psychological resistance and the supply line here. So again, like, practice caution on this because it just means that there's max downside potential if they want to roll this thing over right here. Short-term pullback, what's wrong with that? There's nothing wrong with that. I mean, I hope it keeps going short-term immediately. Yeah, whatever, 2,700 monthly cut with handle. But I'm just saying, like, a pullback here, 50% retrace, 2,400, whatever. That can happen with an indiscriminate sell-off across the global markets. Gold could be, gold's doing it too, just not too bad today. I mean, 0.91%. Remember, silver couldn't break anything. It couldn't break the resistance. Couldn't do it. Look, and then did it again. Tested it again. Bearish and golden candle. So this is now quite possibly invalid as a pivot point. That right there is the worst thing you could ever ask for. You have a form of confirmation. Yesterday and now today confirms the supply line there is supply, and the overhead resistance confluent with that supply line. Yeah, so you're looking probably at 26.69, maybe even $26. Not good. Going for the lowest daily candle close on silver since August 14th. Chat, y'all got anything to say? Or is it just you're in disbelief? You can't believe it, man. I don't know how you couldn't believe it. What's up, Cash Law on Twitch? Yeah, that's it though. No one on X, my God. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what type of analysis I can provide to... I don't know, man. It's crazy. It's like you could be like, hey, there's 100% certainty something's happening. It's like people still just could be like, whatever. Look at total. I forgot. We didn't even look at total, man.
I like turtles.
There's bears out here.
When I was young, I told my girl cousins I would never be a varsity athlete, and frankly, that was a tremendous blow to my self-esteem.
We're waiting on 1.78, 1.72 trillion. We're just waiting. We've been waiting, dude. Remember, Heartline rejected, and that was just bad. Yep. Just coming home. Coming home, dude. Real quick, take a look at yields. 20-year Treasury bond. That was up a lot more earlier, but it is certainly pulled back. We saw the highest high of 2024 today. Still going for the highest close. But we were above 100 for a moment. The TLT, the three rising valleys, the classic accumulation, the spring back test of key level. So much demand on the third valley that the sellers could not even test it again. Too much demand. And then there you go, resolution. Still resolving positively. Above $97, key level. Nice, man. You don't want to see yields though, do you? Don't think you want to. Here's the 1 year. Yeah, it looked like that. Head and shoulders looking A. Garbage, dude. Garbage. Look at that. It was beautiful. I mean, that's wonderful stuff there. 10 years not down that much today, but again, going for the lowest daily candle close since June of 2023. So all these bond yields were at 52-week plus lows. Yep. Oh, we had a request, I think. Yeah, like one request. Well, the old setup, we hit 2 of 3 targets, right? Falling wedge, right? You broke out from the high point of the wedge to the low point, right? This is an educational discussion. The 50% retrace, the 618, those are your common Fibonacci profit-taking levels on falling wedges. And then the third target, and there was just not enough. You didn't get there. So that happens. And now it's over. The party is completely done, right? You'd have been 66% plus your trade would have been out, and you could be completely exited now. So that's there for a second, so you see that it did resolve. 2 of 3 hit. Nice. So what we'll do is we will clean it up, and now you see we're coming back down to earth. Oh, what's really bad about this being below 550. 550 is like everything. The 2007 highs. I know there's some stuff here, but you're below that too, really? Even if you plotted more lows, you're below all support. I don't like it right now. I get it. Oh, it's an M shape developing. Dude, the M shape developed and then it performed miserably. Like, I don't really feel good about this. Looking at this lately and locally, going for the lowest daily candle close since February, February. It's bad, man. Support's broken. I know there's an M shape, but maybe we come back when there's not like a bearish Mara Bazoo happening right now. Like no wicks, just the market opened and it's just been complete seller domination all day. Yeah, not good. Not good at all. All the money, I can show you where some of the money is going at least. US dollar tether dominance, a trade setup because the 3 rising valleys was so impeccable. Look, you're going for the highest daily candle close quite possibly since November 27th, 2023 today. Yeah. And you're trying to break the supply line of the channel. Up 4.2% today.
Is that a join?
Can't say we didn't try to add value to your life with this community, with this stream. Teaching an ancient art of technical analysis on an untraditional market. Clearing the thicket, man. Pulling an Alabama. That's what Alabama means in Native American. Clearing a thicket. Clearing in a thicket, whatever. Let's look at some gnarly stuff, though. Gnarly stuff. Broadcom. Nice. The exact same structure. Close enough. It wasn't a real. Okay, it was not a true shark. But I bet you Scott Carney's software did the same thing, where like it did on Tesla, where it was like XABC. Yeah, that's completely valid. Same pattern completion zone. This is just more valid. Whatever. A bearish bat pattern completed on this one. And look at the performance. It's beautiful. Breaking very real support resistance here. 200 moving average on deck. A points, 129.85, 130. So could be over for a while on this one too. Woo! Bad earnings, man. Amongst one of the worst losers on the watch list. Carvana. Hey, remember that rising wedge? Beautiful. Beautiful rising wedge. I mean, one that would just should go in a textbook pretty much. Having a really nice bearish breakdown yesterday in the fall through today. Going for the lowest daily candle close since maybe August 7th. Yeah, Dell down 5+. Oof, so nasty, man. Back below 200 moving average. Nearing 100 again. But remember, the time to own or buy Dell was here when the bullish Gartley developed. One of the most legendary Gartleys I've ever seen on the stock market. And how it's 618, 786 key support resistance was the pattern completion zone of the bullish Gartley. You can't even make it up how perfect it was before it was gone. But the party ended and it's over now. That's a blow off top if I've seen one. May 29th. Shoot. So more downside, especially if $100 breaks. 100 is just psychological. It's not even a real level. Like the real targets, dude, you're talking 70 or 50 or $70 or $60 is your big target.
Crypto dead, cause Mitch don't believe in Cardano, sneering face. Much love, Mitch, always delivered best.
So love G, thank you for the Canadian super chat. Yeah, Cardano is just, it's just insert S coin name. Cardano is the same as the rest. I don't really care. The price correlates the same way as any other S coin, so doesn't matter even what the project does. Not going to make you money just because the project maybe does something better than all the rest of the scams. AMD, oof, beautiful back test, beautiful rejection, the 200 moving average, just waiting on 119, 120 again. I mean, that's your target area, nothing to do till then. Wait for some positive price action correlation down there, maybe for a confirmation low, but just you got to wait to lower prices.
Yo, Mitch, I just heard an imposter impersonating me, saying I wasn't a varsity athlete. Looks like I need to have a sit down with Junior. He's not gonna like. With all due respect, stay away from my uncle. His money is no good.
Yeah?
All I know is you never had the makings of a varsity athlete.
Sorry, dude. Sorry. You never had the makings. We have evidence. Thank you. I don't know. Some of those guys at Seton Hall were 7 feet tall. Yeah, dude. Rocket Lab was amazing because it hit that resistance. What did it do with the resistance? I think they call that TA respected. Beautiful. Supply at a level where there is probably supply? No. I can't believe this news. Yeah. Bad news. Bank of America. Look at this one. This was like Warren Buffett just been massively dumping this. This is done. Party's over on this one. Oh my God. Max downside potential. Ooh, on Bank of America. Yeah, below 40 bucks. $33. That's your target down there probably. Until they recapture it. Very bad. Micron. Just looking at. Ooh. Going for the lowest daily candle close since February. All right, they're going to try to double the bottom. We'll see. How's Qualcomm doing? Ooh. Oh my God, it's so disgusting. Remember how it ended head and shoulder stuff? Right shoulder lower than the left shoulder, representing lack of demand. Very good. And now, like, this is knees and toes, head and shoulder, knees and toes. Yeah, bearish back test, key level rolling over. See what 145. That's your target, most likely. I mean, they might try to hold 157 because you're at it, but I think 145 the Momo stays in the hands of the sellers, and Bitcoin is nearing its lows of day, lows of month, nearing key support. 53,420 down $2,729, nearly 5%. Some altcoins outperforming, but they tend to catch up when you least expect it. God, we got more saxophone. You know what that means. Boeing's screwed. Boeing's so wrecked, dude. So wrecked on Boeing. Going for the lowest daily candle close since November of 2022, breaking a very key support. The target is 143.27 on Boeing. Yep, that's where you're headed. Breaking that today. So, like, breaking news. Warranted, though. I think everyone could agree with that. So, Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree, anyone? Only down 2.6%. Look how the trends reverse. This is what Bitcoin's been doing, dude. Look, 1, 2, third peak, the bearish W, then sell off, then another W kinda, and then a lower low, then a lower high, and then boom, a major markdown, then a lower highs again, bearish back test. Look at this. I mean, that's what Bitcoin's been doing for 6 months, dude. TRD Pro, thanks for the super chat, man. $2 super chat. Well, I can't do that because think about Google takes 30%, then the IRS takes 37%. So how much am I left with after you super chat me? So that's how many XRPs I can buy. Do the math on it. Yeah, dude. Dollar Tree is like close to another. I mean, this is a major level. I don't know if they don't hold this. It's like $60. I mean, probably 50 after that. Awful. I'm not trying to tell you that. I'm just saying, like it's beautiful to be able to identify the offloading of a major position from the composite operator. Ethereum alert going off. 2,213 chat. Lows of day. Lows of month. Lows of month. And really, that wick's a joke compared to what we're doing right now. So it is lows of many months. Ethereum, $2,210 at lows right now, down 6.6%. It's freaking beautiful. It's so beautiful, man, because it was implying that this was most probable of an outcome. Bitcoin lows of day right now. Burn it all, exactly. Burn it to ground. Let's egg on this thing. Can you check Pepe coin?
Marijuana's bad.
God. Dude, this is like, what happened? These exchanges just keep delisting these freaking scams, dude. My God. What do you want on Pepe coins? Done, dude. Pepe coin's screwed. Party's over. This is Pepe. Pepe going for its lowest daily candle close since April 30th, but it could be easily going for its lowest close since April 20th. This thing is gonna eventually lose 88 to 99% of its value. Okay, Pepe coin will eventually. I'm not kidding. You don't care if you believe me or not. Like, whatever. Who are you? Like, we've been analyzing scam coins for 7 years live, and they pretty much always eventually make 886 retraces to 100% retraces. This is no different of a scam. This scam will go to 2744438. Get ready. Screw Pepe coin. Sorry, it's over, dude, and it's been over, and it's confirmed that it's been over. Got it? That's your analysis. Sorry, because you wanted something else. You want to be like, oh, Pepe coin's holding up, dude. It's not, and it's not going to. It's going to lose a crap load more of its value. Get wrecked. Music stopped. I hope he did. I hope he did mean that. And if he did mean that, then I hope he loses all his money. There you go. Boom. If that's what he meant. But dude, Dog with Hat Coin's gonna like do it, man. This is the one, man. I'm telling you, bro. What is this? Who said that? Not a gamer? Who are you talking about? Oh my God. Sebastian, sensitive. You just don't, I don't think you know how to use words, man, because that's not the word. Like sensitive for eviscerating an S coin. Oh my God, he technically eviscerated an S coin scam. So he's sensitive. Okay, dude. I think you're sensitive, dude. You're like offended by the way I destroyed that coin. So you're offended. You're sensitive. Get wrecked. JG, it's funny, I know exactly what you're talking about. Oh, that skit is absolutely genius. Oh, let's look at some more, man. Let's some more stuff, dude. Come on, bro. Where the bros at? Where the EOS bros at? Where are the ENS bros at? Where the DUI DX bros at? Going for all-time lows. Oh my God. It's crazy. Some of these altcoins are just not as bad today, but and before this weekend, And before this week, dude, look at Hedra hash graph about to collapse, about to become extinct. You hear me? Hedera hash graph about to go to 3 cents most likely. Yeah, people think this isn't a big deal. What's happening to Hedra? This is the biggest deal. This is the line in the sand on this one. 3 cents. You ready? It's gonna have an alert set up down there. It was gonna take over. It was gonna do it, man. Filecoin too. Filecoin was gonna take over the world as well. We're just waiting on 285 to $3, and maybe it's still garbage down there. It's bad, dude. Lower highs, lower lows. Lower highs, lower lows. Garbage. But dude, what about hot? Very bad. Breaking 1.5 tenths of 1 penny. We'll just wait for 1.03 tenths of 1 penny. Just see it down at the bottom again, down here. Your target, INJ. Just waiting for the aggressive distribution to resolve.
Hey, there's this interesting price chart for TA that looks different than almost all others. It's on Coin Paprika. But, Moo Trading View. It has unlimited trading view tools for you to use, free. Sorry, Lord Beerus.
What I think you should do is I think you should start your own YouTube channel, and you should just look, it should be Lord Beerus Coin Live. And every day you go live. That's the title, the beginning of the title. You will own the SEO on YouTube, right? People will find you because Lord Beerus, they're typing in, I need to see Lord Beerus Coin. I'm so interested in Lord Beerus Coin. All those poor people out there that are just being robbed of Lord Beerus analysis in this chat, in this stream, they will be able to completely be baptized into Lord Beerus Coin, okay? So you should start your channel. Maybe we'll promote it, man. Yep, do you want Lord Beerus Coin? Head on over to Lord Beerus, dude. He's got you covered. All right, waiting on $10 on Injective Scamacall. All right. Dude, why does it never look Cardano, bro? Because it's just not special. There's nothing about Cardano that makes it any more important than any other coin. The target, we are waiting on Cardano to see 25 to 23 cents. That's the zone, the target zone. The demand line of the downtrend it's been in. And if that doesn't hold, then the ice line from history, where it has reversed here before. That's it. You want a Cardano? You sure you want a Cardano? Nah, dude, I need a second opinion on Cardano analysis. This one, he's bearish. I gotta go find an analysis where they're bullish on Cardano, because Hoskinson's son. Hello? Are you sure you wanted it? You asked for it. I did it. Now what? Now what do we do?
Just trying to add value to this stream and give you something to consider. And bring awareness to Beerus Coin.
Do you not understand? What do you mean? If we were applying traditional technical analysis to the crypto market, implying that lower prices were probable, and here we are on stream early because the market's melting down, do we really need to provide any more value than that? Because that's like almost legit calling what's happening with a proven method on traditional markets, researched 100 years. I mean, you can't, Lord Beerus Coin isn't adding any more value to this stream. It is audacity. It's complete. It's insane that you would even say it like that, dude. I mean, that's like borderline troll. But Beerus Coin is crap like all the others, chat. Don't be fooled by the propaganda. But we are all excited for when Lord Beerus starts his own YouTube channel, and it's called Lord Beerus Live. Goal sheet, that's true. I mean, if this was so good, you know, yep, you're right. Oh my God. Well, Bitcoin's catching a minute bounce, is it not? 53.7 off the lows. $500. Hey man, is this a bull market?
Value is added by finding good setups, preparing for them. Get wrecked, chat.
Yeah, okay. Well, that's a great We didn't need Lord Beerus coin for that. There was a plethora. We'll look. Hey, let's take a look, chat, at the most recent setup. Let's take a look. Here it is. 3 days ago. This is in the Patreon/Citadel. Okay, it's part of the value. If you join it, you get these hand delivered to you. You get the entry, the stop loss to take profits, right? So, Ethereum, I had a very compelling argument for downside. This was a 4-hour chart. You had the lower high than the previous highs. The bearish back test the key level as resistance, up thrusted. But then they confirmed it. And that weakness right there, I could see one little peak a second. That's confirmation distribution locally. It's like, why not? Why freaking not? Good start. Really good start. We don't need Lord Beerus coin. We're talking about liquidity, man. This is the second largest crypto in the world. I'd rather be trading that, where people are going to be fulfilling my orders fast, than on Lord Beerus coin, where I have a limit order set up and no one fills it because no one wants it. No one's trading it. Liquidity and volume is very important on trading assets. To be careful about that. Lord Beerus coin got like five people and one donkey trading Lord Beerus coin. They're probably not going to fulfill your orders. Okay? So good start, but not there yet. But we're on the way. Look, dude, I mean, think about it. You give it enough time. 1850 third target. You got to give it time, man. It's a trend. It's a downtrend, man. That's all it is. We're just waiting on 2159. It's not even showing where I think Ethereum has gone, right? I mean, they do that. Like on the day of the move, like the price action does not update. Yeah, it didn't update. So it's not even showing you. It was a little lower. I guess we'll replay it tomorrow or something. Anyway. So thank you for making more points to not go to Lord Beerus coin. Because the value is already added to the stream. People's lives are already enriched. They don't need it. They don't need coin paprika. Oil screwed, dude. Oil is in complete trouble. My God, they've rallied it off the lows, but it was nasty. You were still going for the lowest daily candle close since June 2023, 52-week plus lows. Don't forget the tweezer double tap. Don't forget such a lack of demand from market participants that 200 simple moving average could not be tested again. Very subtle sign of weakness. These are breadcrumbs just kind of letting you know. Just like we did on Bitcoin. Lack of demand on that 4-hour. It was close, but we knew that it was real.
I wouldn't be here spending my shillings if I didn't respect your TA and want your analysis. Lol at the Veris fake news.
I don't know, man, because people do that. People do like pay money to just advertise their scam coin, and that's definitely what you've been doing. I mean, no arguing, right? Like we all know you are definitely using the S word, shilling. So I appreciate the contributions, but you are doing the thing that is considered bad. Yeah. So just again, for people tuned in, I do not promote Lord Beerus coin at all. I'm not even looking at it. It's not even on TradingView. He's just chilling it. And that's it. But hey, man, he's tipping more than anyone else. So there you go, right? Lord Beerus. Okay, we were going to look at something. Gosh dang, man, forgot. Yeah, I don't know, dude. Back to Soul real quick. Yeah, this is bad, dude. I'm telling you, you are on the cusp of death. Get ready. Get ready for $90 Soul. Could be a weekend meltdown, too. Could be going live again. And it's just like, why are you live on a Saturday? It's because these S coins are crashing. This is how close Solana is to crashing. We're talking millimeters. You get what's happening? Market participants offloading their position subtly, quietly. We're identifying the signature of distribution, trading woefully below all the moving averages. The stage is set for a crash. Oh, chat. Look what's happening literally today. I'm glad I'm live. Jesus chimes. The daily death cross occurring right effing now. In present time. Not yesterday, not tomorrow, right now. And there it is on your effing screen. Beautiful bearish crossovers. Short it. But that's like, it's bullcrap to be like, today's the day. It's been like this. It's been, oh yeah, bearish, short. Yeah, makes more sense than being long anything crypto. Or big tech outside of Tesla. They were all looking like crap too. Like toppy. Like what? Okay, so you see what's happening? Like Bitcoin's off its lows by like $600.
I also want to give this to you. But at this rate it seems you don't want it. Last one for today. Peace, Mitch.
Thank you for the threes. Appreciate it, man. I do appreciate the contributions. Just maybe not the messages as much. But if you say you respect what I do, I appreciate it. I don't know how, if you actually put any time into studying TA, like I don't know how you couldn't respect what I'm trying to do here. Like for real. Like who are you to be like, I disrespect what your message is and what you're trying to do for people. It'd be crazy. Like for you to be like, yeah, I don't really respect what you do here, man. Like, that'd be crazy, in my opinion. Whatever. Zcash, dude, forget Zcash, man. That pump and dump was gnarly. I don't know what was going on with that, dude. That was like the devs were pumping one more time before the end for Zcash. Yeah, we are staring into the abyss right now on Solana, man. Staring at death. And that's okay, man. $90 is, I mean death for like, you know, like short-term death. Not, oh, it's over for Solana, but just understand what happens like when cycles conclude. We could go 7 months, 8 months, a year of lower highs, lower lows. Head on down to 60, 50. Make deep retraces. You just can't rule it out. I think there's been a lot of indoctrinating done on the way up on Twitter and on CNBC everywhere. 100K Bitcoin by November, Banana Zone, it's basically risk-free, blah, blah, blah. It's not going to stop. We're good. Too much of that, man. That's like composite operator psyoping everyone, and he's offloading his position, and we're staring at it, and people just don't seem to realize that lower highs, lower lows consecutively for a long period of time. And it's not a bull flag. It's not bull flag. Well, the rants are there, man. You're going to have to take it or leave it, you know? It's like, some people come for the rants and less the TA. So it's like we have a mixed audience here. Oh, hey, remember Tezos where it's like we're waiting on 37 cents now? You could just be short. Remember yesterday? You could just be short on Tezos and get paid. It's breaking support. There's nothing here. Dude, 37 cents. Just wait for it. You will get it. You will get 37 cents on Tezos at extremely high probability. Anyone short on Tezos because it looked like it was going to collapse and the downside is unlimited? Unlimited power. Rep, that's kind of crazy. For real. Yeah, recently.
I don't got to tell you, but this message needs to be conveyed to some of these jokers showing up in chat. There's only room for one lord in this joint.
Oh, what's happening to chat? Chat, are y'all being insolent or something? I don't understand. Tony Soprano's crap talking chat. I'm crap talking Tezos. So we're just waiting now for Tezos to lose another 37% of its value. It's only down 3.74% today. And just understand, even like if something happened, like I don't think it's happening, but like something like this, you get another lower high and then go. I mean, like whatever, it doesn't matter. As long as a lower high, lower low keeps going on, your target's 37 cents eventually. So hang on, hold on to your short. China is still dumping. China, lows of day for 22 out of 23 out of 24 hours. Oh my God. UK 100 futures at their lows. The Nikkei is at near its lows of day. Australia, the ASX futures near lows of day. German 30, the DAX futures at lows of day. Wow. I mean, that's pretty telling, isn't it? I just told you about the foreign markets, and they're all just pretty much at lows of day. All right, Tezos, we'll have an alert set up, just reminded of the beauty of the crash. I'm excited about the Tezos crash. I might do a live stream just for Tezos Live, the long-awaited crash stream. Go back. If the foreign market index funds are doing so bad, maybe the spider's doing, it's a little off its lows, but it's still pretty bad. NASDAQ, though, a little off the lows. Fill the gap. Just sitting there. Just taking a breather. We are currently in Power Hour, chat.
It's time for Power Hour.
We got about 40 minutes till the closing bell. So not much really going on in Power Hour. Remember, you think like in the last 30 minutes of trading, so in about 9 minutes will be the final 30 minutes, and that'll be the second highest volume on average, in a trading session. First 30 minutes, 9:30 to 10, and then 3:30 to 4. So like that's where you could be, again, remember, nice massive drawdown today across the market, and it's a Friday going into the weekend. So a lot of times what happens at the very end of the day, the short sellers that were making their money day trading, they will cover their shorts, and that will cause and induce a small rally in Power Hour. So can't be that surprised if we see that. Doesn't mean things have changed, right? It doesn't mean we're mooning now. It just means shorts covering. What's up, Baxter? Thank you, man, for watching over all this time. Really appreciate it. Everyone, really. There's probably not many people here today because I'm going live at not normal time. Not even my abnormal time was I going live. I went earlier than that. So I'm sure there are probably other people streaming that have a following that people like. So thanks to the people that are watching. Whatever. Thanks. Appreciate it. Oh, Litecoin's really starting to do it, man. Oh, it's down over 4% now. Very, very nice here. This is set up for $50. This is a $50 target, chat, on Litecoin. That means, like, unless they just get it, if they get it back above 66 for real and it's not a fake out like it has been, fine, invalid idea. But until they're back above $66, the downside potential target, you got 20+% downside, 20 to 21% downside here. Are you ready? Bearish 5-0. Really taking its time.
Black Monday
incoming. Oh boy, we got ourselves
Japan crash was only the beginning.
Some shillers here.
Recession incoming.
Thank you, Greg
boys.
P, for the 5. Sorry about the drowning of your contribution. Mods, let's get on that. Yeah. That scam. Yeah, we got scam coins joining our chat. Mods, let's get going here. I'm gonna try to help. It's been a long time since we had a Telegram scam coin army. Anyone spamming that word gets the ban.
Thank you, Mitch.
I will work
Red
on
or green
right
day,
now.
we respect the TA.
Banning that
no
word.
ads. No BS.
No problem. Not the first, not the last. And now it's like, hey man, Lord Beerus is a little breath of fresh air. Alright. Get wrecked. Yeah, it's a Telegram raid. That's what they do. Yeah, let's see. Still working here as crypto is near its lows of the day, right? Total, very beaten down. Should have it under control now. How much they can do at this point. Losers, you're a bunch of losers. If you're watching the stream and you were in here to shill that coin, your scam is a loser and you're a loser. Enjoy the abyss. Yeah, they're doing what they're gonna do. And we'll just keep doing what we're gonna do. Solana is so close, dude. I'm talking less than $1 away from breaking the key of key supports. We're in sub only mode, Kai. That's what's crazy about it. That is crazy, dude. In sub only mode. Whatever. Okay. Just going back to default now. We're good. Okay, Solana. Do you see it? How visualized it is? This is probably the one chart of all charts to be, well, outside of Tezos, this breaking support. Souls on deck. On the chopping block. Looks weaker than it's looked in a long, long time. Paris, sorry, dude. We had to ban all of Fort Morgan, Alabama, dude. Gordon, what's up, man? He says, thank you for protecting the community. He's a new subscriber. Thank you so much, dude, for subscribing to this channel. Dude, it is just a no-nonsense channel. No shilling. It's literally traditional technical analysis by the book. Price action. Reading. You know, I mean, that's risk management. That's what we're about here, man. I know it's really boring. It can be really boring stuff. That's why we have the 120 BPM copyright music playing at all times in the background, so it keeps you awake subliminally. Sub Starscream. Dang, you hear that? He said he found the channel 2 years ago. He was broken poor. He said he's doing much better now. Wow, he said Mitch Ray saved my life. TA saved my life. Listen, learn. TA is the way to freedom. Thanks, Mitch. Thank you, Starscream. Wonderful comment there. Thank you so much for supporting what we do here. The message that we try to send here. Okay. How about let's look at a couple more S coins. I don't know, random ones. I don't really look at all the S coins these days because they're all so trash. Like, you know where they're like, they're all going down next. And like the fact that we had like Ethereum that was, you know, high liquidity, high market cap S coin, which is great setup for a short. Like, what's the point of going short on anything else really if you got Ethereum? to short. But yeah, I mean, again, Tesla's no brainer. There are others out there. Avalanche, people are like, Avalanche is holding up pretty well. Yeah, dude, you're not. It's not. Dude, it's over. Like, this thing's about to collapse. Like, Tesla's stop loss on your short above 22.50 and just wait for $10, $11. If you're an Avalanche moon boy, your life's about to end. You're about to be Avalanche Earth boy. Because this thing's done. This thing's about to probably go down 50% in time. So get ready. Yep, stop. If you're short, stop loss above 22.70, 22.50, 60, whatever. Above this inflection zone. Okay. You're done. Eugene, wow. Thank you, man. I don't think I'm very funny at all. But thank you. I mean, the comedy is y'all sometime, most of the time, dude. Y'all bring the comic relief. Pretty dry person. Avalanche McDonald fries incoming. Correct. That would be an astute analysis. Okay, alert set up, everyone. Everyone set up your alert for $20, 2012, because when you hear the beep, you know what's happening. Tezos, Avalanche, send them to freaking heck, man. What about, dude, what about Algorand, man? Algorand, just wait for 9.5 cents again. Easy. It's coming. High probability. It's got another 17% downside. Just wait. What's the other one? Atom? Oh, so bad. Oh, God. It's one of the worst. Holy crap. Atom, dude. They rug pulled you. But, dude, it's got the logo of, like, an atom. Come on. It can't be a scam. Going for the lowest daily candle close since August 2nd of 2020. Dude, we're talking over 4-year lows on Atom. Right now, Cosmos. The Cosmos. Once 347 breaks, if it does, then 184. Wow. Absolutely. And gotta love it, man. How did it all conclude? Look at that. Just like Litecoin, kinda. Like, not even kidding. Look at all the beautiful bearish back tests of the key. This is what you come to the stream for these things. Stuff like this. Just like that type of price action correlation to such a key level. Look at the last time, that last little peak, they couldn't test it again because there was such a lack of demand. And it was 1, 2, 3, the rule of 3. And what happened? Resolution. It's so gorgeous, man.
When Fed starts slashing rates, do you expect stock market to continue going down, or will this time be historically different?
Anthony, I mean, no one truly knows the answer to that question. I hope you understand that. No one knows. No one in the... People will use history as a way of justifying why they think something's going to happen, but no one really knows. History could repeat itself. So what's a piece of history that happened recently that had never happened before? And now everything's opposite. Okay, so for the first time ever, chat, Bitcoin hit an all-time high before the halving. It had never done that before, ever. Had all the halvings before it. And then what happened? Hit an all-time high before halving, and it's over. Now at 53,518 with an all-time high of $74,000+. This has never happened either. So we don't know. Bitcoin rolling over. We got 26 minutes. We're in the last 30 minutes of Power Hour, right? This is Power Hour within Power Hour because it's on a Friday. So we're going to the last 30 minutes of the week of trading for the stock market with Cosmos at multi-year lows right now as I'm speaking to you. Hype in the chat. But surely this is an isolated incident, right? I don't think so, man. Don't think so. How about Raven coin? I don't know. Raven, remember Send a Raven? Oh my God. Send a Raven for getting wrecked. I mean, this is it, dude. See you at 1.1 pennies. There's just nothing to do but wait for 1 cent. Or at least 1.4 cents. Okay, we'll test it again maybe. But I'm just thinking 1 cent. 1.1 cents. This is back here from like, it was the candle low close from March 2020. I'm just wait. Very, very bearish. That's beautiful price action though. Short trade setup stuff. Heck yeah, man. It's like Matic. Oh man, I just want to keep my eye on Sol because it's so... Here we are, chat. Who in the world is live looking at Solana at the last inkling of support before nukage? Remember, here it was. It was regarded as resistance in December of 2023. Look, it was the candle low close back from September of 2021. That's when it was plotted there. And it's just been tested. And now you're not as lucky because the context. Solana crash stream. Solana on crash deck stream. Whatever. Total more cooking to do. Yeah, total. We're just waiting on a little bit more downside. Not too much. I mean, only about, my God, dude, only 3.944% downside all the way to 7% downside. So there is more downside for sure. Yes.
Do you think there is any significance with BTC 100, 200?
There is no Golden Cross 200 and 100.
Is it
That's
going
not
to be a May event?
By the book. The Golden Cross is the 50 and the 200. So you can have 100, you could plot any moving average you want. But like a Golden Cross is a lagging indicator and it doesn't mean anything. It means nothing. Golden Cross 5200 almost means nothing. It's just an event that occurs. So no, I don't think there's any significance to a Golden Cross on a 100, 200. No. Remember what I just said? Like on Sol? How about today? A death cross of the actual 50 and 200 occurring right now. You see that? It's happening. Beautiful. So it doesn't mean anything. It's like, it's not something I'm throwing. It's like, okay, if I had a compelling argument for downside, I had like 10 variables on different time scales.
Surf fishing Al tip $25. Jackpot. Jackpot. Jackpot.
I have overinvested by a lot.
Close. No jackpots, dude. Nice try. All right, power hour unfolding. Bitcoin near the lows of day. Soon we'll be hearing a beep and we will be at the lows of month and day. I was about to say something. Oh, I was going to be like, yeah, if I have like a compelling argument for like downside, everything looks bad. Probability is high, a 7% chance of downside, and there's like a death cross. Oh, okay. All right. To throw it in there. It's the last thing we cared about. Yeah, yep. Death cross on Solana. Okay, sure. But I didn't even need to know that there was death cross happening to have my consensus of bearishness already, right? So it's like if you're cake baking, it's like what's the least important ingredient that is optional, right? It doesn't make or break the cake. Doesn't make or bake the cake, whatever. It'd be like that. It'd be like, all right, you gotta have eggs, gotta have flour, gotta have milk, gotta have, flour, whatever, right? What do you not have to have? Sprinkles, that's like after though. The cake baking process, like. So we're just sitting here down 3.6% now. We are at the support, chat, as I'm speaking to you. As Bitcoin is at the lows of day right now, it's happening. Lowest price we've seen on Bitcoin since August 5th. Yep, August 5th, chat. September 6th. 32-day lows. Yeah, sugar, you need sugar for the cake, so you got to have that. So, any ideas? I'm not really big on baking cakes, actually. How's Cream doing? Delisted, bro. Okay. Solana down 3.8% now. Breaking support. We are violating support barely right now. It's happening. Bitcoin, lows of day. I'm sure Ethereum's near or at lows of day. 53K, the target area. Never let them know the secret ingredient. Okay, it was a 100, 200 crossover, whatever. Okay, lows of day on Sol. Down over 4% now. And what's the worst thing that happened? Well, 130 was confirmed yesterday, broken. You can see the traders settled up below 130, right? Today, what'd they do? They back tested what was once 130.
Hey Mitch,
was once support,
appreciate
and now
the
it
honesty
is
and your
resistance.
time. Love the stream, love the TA, love the Vihey. Keep it up and have a nice weekend. Sri for not having the actual request.
Is that a join?
Itchy Bonza, thank you so much. Viewers like you make the stream better. You make the stream. So thank you, dude, for watching, investing in yourself, and just being a member of the community. High value community, dude. Yeah, so I guess we'll just keep our eye on it. I mean, we have what we need, right? Do we go to Ethereum? We're going to switch it around. I need to get myself like an action screen. Ooh, look at Ethereum, baby. 22.11 at the lows of day. Lowest price since August 5th. You're gonna be saying August 5th until they break below 21.15. But beautiful meltdown because the market, the trend was all implying it. The price action was implying this. So you can't be mad. You got to be extremely happy. How has this never happened before? I'm talking about, I told you the thing that never happened before. I'm talking about Bitcoin never saw an all-time high before it's happening. That's what I said. Dang, dude, this thing's nuking. We got to be like... Ethereum down 6.63% today, down 3.37% yesterday. So we're talking about 10% in less than 2 days on your second largest crypto in the entire world. As total continues to see its fresh lows of day, patiently awaiting 1.78, 1.72 trillion. Bottom of the channel, confluent with the inflection zone from history, further back in 2021. Cream's mooning, dude. Oh my god. That is right. Sol is attempting to break the level right now. It is, but it's not really following through yet. It could easily, it's rallying, it's off the lows a little bit. But this is a big deal. I mean, this is one of the biggest deals you're going to see on a Solana chart. All the support, it's doing something it hasn't done ever up here in this year of 2024. How's the S&P 500 in Power Hour? Off the lows a little bit. Hasn't really moved. People aren't really covering their short that much, I guess, right? Figured we'd have if they were going to really be, maybe in the next 15, 16 minutes we'll see it, but not really anyone covering shorts right now. Dow Jones. I mean, off the lows a little bit, but not by much. Keep our eye on these. We've got our alerts set up. We got Bitcoin always on the screen, just above my head. Tesla still down at the lows of day. Whew, it's nasty. I mean, think about Tesla's down more than Ethereum is today. Yikes. And of course, Bitcoin and BNB and Solana. But dang, gap filled and just not much demand. probably until we get to 205, 209. So that was gnarly, very gnarly. Nvidia off the lows, yeah, rallying a little bit. They're covering some shorts here the last 15 minutes trading, but still working on a bearish and golden candle on the daily. Google is nasty at the lows of day. And wow, look where we are, chat. $151. What is that? Remember, not just a level that was support this year, but go back. 2021, everything. The former cycle top, all-time highs. This was in November 2021, and this was in February 2022, just before the almost year-long bear trend of 2022. So Google is getting shattered right now, and can't be surprised. Bear pole, bear flag. All right, I have an alert if they're breaking it, but dang, you're at it. Meta down 2.85%. Nice downside potential here. Bearish and golden candle going to be confirmed in 14 minutes. Amazon, really, really bad. The worst thing you could ever dream of. This is like, wait for 158.88 target. This is so bearish. Most bearish thing that could have ever happened to an asset is happening on Amazon. So I don't need to explain myself. I already have. Support resistance. Microsoft, near the lows of the day. Probably going to 397.35. Just going to go test that level again. Might hold, but the context is starting to get pretty nasty, right? Less than before. Support resistance acting as resistance. Below the 200 moving average. How's that 50? Below the 50. Below all three moving averages, that's for sure. Yikes. Apple, hanging in there. Better than the rest. Above supports, but bearish engulfing candle. That's the line in the sand. Below 217 equals 198, 196. So a lot of downside below that level, but they're holding it for now. Bitcoin catching a little rally off the lows with 13 minutes till the close. If you're enjoying the coverage of this indiscriminate sell-off across all markets, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. As we look, the UK 100 is at session lows right now. The Nikkei also at the lows. These are futures. ASX Australia 200 lows of day. German 30. The DAX futures low of day. And the the Chinese A50 lows of day. So indiscriminate global market sell-off. Doesn't matter where you are. They're dumping. Oil saw the lowest price in over a year today. Gold pulled back some. Kind of get the theme here of the stream. Remember Valero? Oh my God, dude. Yep, it was so beautiful what they did. How it ended was fantastic. You can't make up how perfect it was. I mean, you're telling me that they broke the level, then they back tested it not once but twice from June 2022 as resistance, and at the same time tested the 200 moving average the first time, but such a lack of demand the second time they failed. And at the same time, this freaking supply line of this channel was also respected. And you're just rolling over, hitting the hard line now with the targets 125 to 127. It's like down here, man, just waiting. It's the old trade setup entry right here. 1618, and the whole, it was just a trade. That's wild, man. Do we need to look at it again? We'll look at it just so you can see. I forgot. This is the stuff I just try to teach. Okay. I'm just trying to teach stuff, man. Before one day I'll be gone. And you'd be like, dang, dude. It was just like, all right. They had recaptured the key level. They were holding it as support. There was hidden bullish divergence. 200 moving average was support. Locally confirmed right there. Recaptured. It's like, all right, that's it. That's the trigger. Anything below. That's my argument for constructing the trading plan with an entry and a tight stop loss. If it failed, who cares? No big deal. Minimal losses. But if it succeeded, dude. If it succeeded, what would happen? 1, 2, 3. The 1.618 golden mean ratio And look at you now, headed back to the entry. You'll be there. But man, they did it right. The composite man market makers, they're doing it beautifully here with the price action. Yeah, not much else to look at today. I mean, things are down, not too bad, but whatever. We got 10 minutes. We're running out the clock now at this point. 10 minutes till the daily candle close for the stock market. Are we cool, man? I did the best I could to lead you in the right direction, even though the right direction isn't your favorite because no one wants that number to go down. But I mean, it was implied. The probability seemed high of the outcome we are witnessing today. Yeah. Doge is now down 8.19%. Breaking support, chat. It's happening. Nasty, but beautiful because it's implied. The trend is your friend. If you're a bearer, bearish 5-0, right? It was, and now like going for the lowest daily candle close since February 26th and breaking an ungodly support. Exciting times. Waiting for a 30% downside. So Bitcoin's off the lows, 8 minutes, we're running out the clock. I don't know what to do. I've been live for 2 hours, dude. So, and it's kind of just like dead. Get ready. Litecoin. Get ready, dude. All screens number go down. $50 target. Also get some more scams if you want that we haven't looked at. Basic attention token. Oh my god. Think about basic attention token going for its lowest daily candle close, chat. You won't believe this. Oh my god. Basic attention token going for the lowest daily candle close since April 5th of 2020. Today. We're talking over 4-year lows on the close in 4 hours, 7 minutes. But my use case, chat, but it does stuff. It has a working product, bro. Come on. Yeah, come on. At lows of day. Mind you, with Bitcoin up a little bit off those lows. What? Bitcoin's off its lows. What, $400? That's what's happening. Like any rally, even on these like little scrub rallies, buyer inducing rallies. Oof. You know, Bitcoin would rally, altcoins would barely recover, and then Bitcoin would sell off again, and the altcoins that barely recovered start selling off even more, and that's kind of like what's been happening today, I think. Uniswap. I mean, at least a higher low for now, but dude, I don't have any confidence in this right now. 520 target, just wait. Lowest high of downtrend. I mean, if you put in a higher low, congratulations, but you can't just put in a lower high after that. We got 5 minutes and 50 seconds till the closing bell on the stock market. Join the Discord or be destroyed. Let's go to 0x again. We saw it yesterday. Terrible. Oh, lows of day. Remember, wait for 15 cents. 15, 16 cents. That's a target. See you there. Anyone? Bueller? Got to take out this local low right there from July. Garbage, dude. So ZRX, we are waiting for ZRX to lose another 40 to 43% of its value before we even look at it again. What about, dude, comp, man? Comp was gonna do it. No, it's not. Just wait for $29. Just wait. Lowest high confirmed. Google breaking that 2021 support resistance. Holy crap. Chat. Oh my God.
Look here. Look, listen.
Remember, this is not a joke. This is like so real. You can taste it. Every sense. You can feel it, you taste it, you see it, you hear it, you touch it. You're breaking it on Google right now. So hype in the chat for a very big development. Google's down 4.2% right now.
Is that a join?
Now at the lowest price seen just moments ago since April 5th. Target on deck 146.29 unless they recapture 151 with 4 minutes to go until the daily and weekly candle close. You're about to get a weekly candle close below the previous cycle all-time highs. Wow. And a clean break of the 200 simple moving average, which you just don't do. That wasn't clean. That was, oh yeah, we broke it, but then we recaptured the 200 immediately, right? In March, early March, when crypto was topping out. Done. Completely done. Yeah, it's just not something that happens. It's very bad. Technical damage being done here on Google on a Friday. Wow, let's go back to them, because if Google's doing it, are the others? Tesla's down 8% still at the lows of day, pretty much nearing support. Nvidia down 4.2%. My God.
Is that a join?
Not many shorts covering. That's kind of scary, isn't it? Like, everyone that's short is like, we're not covering. We're just going to hold our shorts or puts into the weekend. Does that mean these market participants have confidence of what's coming Monday? This is kind of weird. Another alert here. Good God. People just confident, man. Meta still, a lot of downside at 500 psychological level. Amazon.
At least a market crash spells doom for the current administration, feels Pumpkin Man.
Is that a join?
Not really, dude. Again, nothing matters. There's no accountability, like, for what's happening. Right? Like, no one even talks about the old man who is senile, who's apparently president, but we know that he's just a puppet, just like Kamala. The puppets for the deep state, administrative state that has grown in size. The bureaucracy, deep state. They own the country. I mean, it's really just like this global world order has taken full control of most of the West at this point. It's kind of crazy, and they've gone rogue, and they no longer represent taxpayers and their own sovereign citizens. They just don't. So I'm not even going there. Let's leave it be. Got enough stuff we're dealing with on these markets, okay? Microsoft nearing the lows of day. Big old bearish engulfing candle going to be confirmed in less than 2 minutes. Because it's your local on the 8s. Below the 200, man. Nearing 397.35. See you there soon for a test. If they don't hold it, 388. Apple still holding. Looks like it's going to close above this level for now, whatever. But yeah, it's performing better than all the others today. Apple, number 1. Tesla, number 7. Crazy, man. Not really crazy. I mean, this is like kind of, yeah, they V-shaped, but the V-shape was an 886 or not. And there was nothing to do. Just, oh, wow, they're confirming a top now. They're filling some gaps that they left. And now you're rolling over again with NVIDIA. Remember, NVIDIA had an ungodly earnings report too, right? It was, they killed it. EPS, revenue, blow out the expectations. And they had a $50 billion share buyback program. Everything you could have dreamed of in a normal market, it would have gone insane. I think better earning reports than what we saw back in May. But maybe it was the structure. Maybe it's the offloading of the composite, man. He's distributing. 20 seconds to the close, chat. Oh, the song is definitely intense, right? 10 seconds till the stock market closes, chat. 5 seconds, chat.
Gentlemen, in the mix.
That was awesome. The bass dropped for the closing bell. Amazing. Gotta love it. All right, so what just happened? Let's take a look at the weekly on NVIDIA, because the weekly candle is just closed. Lowest weekly candle close on NVIDIA confirmed since May 13th. Tesla, no big deal. Really bad though. What the? Did anyone see this? The 200-week simple moving average on Tesla was tested again as resistance and rejected. Oh my God, that's awful. Woo, sheesh. Still above support though, whatever. So Google, nasty. Lowest weekly candle close confirmed since really like March 11th. And a confirmed bearish breakdown and close below the November 2021 and January 2022 highs. Confirmed breakdown. Facebook weekly is bearish. That's so bearish, man, right? Bearish stuff up there. Rejection of key level with max downside potential. Amazon weekly. Disgusting. This is the worst thing that could have ever happened. Okay. You see the resistance. You see the resistance. The resistance. Undeniable level 177.77. Whatever. Rejected and rolled over. Closed at the lows of the week. Lowest weekly close since August 5th. Microsoft only down 1.63%. Lowest weekly candle close confirmed since April 15th. After all the bearish price action, bearish engulfing candle. Yikes. Apple did okay. Not near as bad, but still, the lower high looms. The potential lower high looms as what could be a high and an attempted rally and failure in distribution, lack of market participants to even test the top or even make a higher high. So roll over. So we'll be paying attention to this one next week. Very important. But the other Mag 7 looking pretty bad, man. Wow. Let's go to the S&P 500 though. Weekly. Good God, that's it, man. That's like bearish abandoned baby / hanging man. Yeah, that's a pretty ugly reversal. Oh my God. Double tap. With follow through. Lowest weekly candle close on the S&P 500 since August 5th. Not that big a deal, but dude, 1 and 2. Dow Jones weekly close. Lowest weekly close since August 5th. Still need some more downside to go test these levels to see if they're real or not because we haven't tested them. So a little more downside, whatever. And then the IWM, Russell 2000 weekly. Lowest weekly close since August 5th, and you did break 209. So support resistance broken with a confirmed close on the weekly. Okay. There you have it, man. Stock market closed. Bad, very bad, boys. Very, very bad. Ethereum still near those lows, man. But yeah, the candle closed, so you just don't know. Like, this is where, hey, all right, selling pressure concluded. We could rally here for 3 hours and then whatever. Bearish banana baby is certainly a real thing. Yes, absolutely. It's a 3 Japanese candlestick pattern. Yes. Pretty rare, but when it's identified properly, it can be very reliable. All right, man. Well, I think I'm going to get out of here. 2-hour live stream, middle of day. What else can I do, man? You know, I think I did the best I could to provide as much value as I could to you, the viewer, and that's good enough. So thanks for coming out. Thanks for the likes, love, support, contributions, everything in between. Join the Discord if you haven't. It's free to join the Discord. The link is, Brad's going to post the link again. You get notified when I go live. There's educational resources, so if you want to better follow along on the stream, my Discord is the place to go to learn. So I'll be back. Till next time, respect the TA.
Gentlemen in the mix.
God. Finally hit 73,000 subs on YouTube. Jesus. 84 years later. Hype in the chat.
out here.
Not my chair, not my problem. That's what I say. No way. No way. What is this garbage?
Every day I'm checking the price and it.
That was NASDAQ futures just hitting fresh lows, chat. Goes in the chat. We have fresh lows on Ethereum, chat. Fresh lows. Get wrecked. That dotted line, 2159, that is the first target of this short trade setup posted 3 days ago. Almost there, man.
Gentlemen in the mix.
Price gonna dip.